Hello and welcome to my channel. So I found a book in the library that was so interesting. So I got it to my house, and the title is Judy Moody. The author is Megan McDonald, and it is illustrated by Peter Reynolds. And it was interesting because first of all, Judy Moody was so happy, and she got attacked by a gumball, which is so funny, isn't it? So then Stink is her brother, and then there are more books, as you see in this book. So now I would like to tell you about this book. The problem was that her friends, they broke up when she got a new friend. But then they had a pizza party, and then Judy Moody said sorry. Judy Moody is a girl named Judy Moody. So then they became friends again, and they had one big group. And there is a lot of pages. I read this last night, and I finished it this morning. I read it. It was so interesting. It has 157 pages. It is so exciting and so fun. Please subscribe if you like it. And this book is also ages 6 to 9, as you see at the bottom. And if you liked it, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. And welcome to my channel. I love reading, and that is true. I do. And I love you too.